Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting Selenium Button Click Issues, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, but occasionally, users may encounter issues with button clicks not working as expected. This tutorial will guide you through common reasons for button click failures and provide solutions with code examples. Understanding the problem. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand why button clicks might fail. Some common reasons include: wait for page load. It's essential to ensure that the page is fully loaded before attempting to interact with elements. Use implicit or explicit waits to allow the page to load completely. Check element visibility and interactability. Ensure that the element is both visible and interactable before attempting to click it. Verify the element's locator strategy. Ensure that you are using the correct locator strategy, ID, class, XPath, etc., for the button. Handle JavaScript-based buttons. Some buttons might be implemented using JavaScript. In such cases, use execute_script to interact with the button. Adjust timing with explicit waits. Timing issues can cause button click failures. Adjust the wait times according to the specific needs of your application. Inspect browser console for errors. Check the browser console for any errors that might be affecting the button click. Resolve any JavaScript errors that appear. Update Selenium WebDriver and browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Selenium WebDriver compatible with your browser. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps and incorporating the provided code examples, you should be able to address most issues related to Selenium button clicks not working. Remember to adapt the solutions to your specific application and stay informed about updates to Selenium and your chosen browser. ChatGPT.